Hey guys, what's up? This is your boy Sammy here. I'm gonna make a quick review on one of my favorite products right now. It's called the Huawei Talkband B3 Lite. I actually bought this like 3 hours ago because I was so excited. It is a smart band. It has a Bluetooth headset, and as you can see here on the Huawei page, I just searched for the product here. It comes in 5 different colors. I can track your activity, and if you're like me and you are already a Huawei consumer, or you have like a Huawei device, you can actually sync your smartphone with this band, and it actually becomes like an extension of your cell phone. And I'm gonna explain a little bit more around that topic in a couple of minutes. As you can see, it has a headset on your wrist, so you can actually sync this with your smartphone and go for a run, leave your cell phone at home, and if you receive a call or if you receive a text message, it will actually automatically show on your wrist, like who's calling, who texted you, all that kind of information. So it's pretty cool. The other feature it has, it says that it has a clearer calling, so you basically are you can hear better, and the people you're talking with are gonna hear you better. I've heard that this is like 10 times better than it was with the B2, that is the past model. So it's pretty cool that another thing, it can actually track your exercise. It could be running if you're into that kind of stuff, climbing, walking, whatever it is. I think it actually also monitors your sleep patterns, so you can monitor your sleep if you want. And here comes the interesting part that I was talking about earlier. You can actually sync your smartphone device with this band, and for example, it says here that it can automatically sync your exercise data with social media like your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram account. And what you can do with that is simply have some fun. For example, if you're like trying to lose weight or trying to gain muscle or whatever your goal is right now in life, you can actually share that with people you love, your friends, your family, and then can comment, they can encourage you, they can motivate you, whatever kind of stuff you're into. So I think that's a pretty cool feature. And it also has features a Gorilla Glass screen like the Mac products. It's also touch. It's black and white as you can see. And as I said earlier, you get like, if you synced it with your Huawei device, you could actually get notifications and you can see who's calling. And one important feature that I see here that is very important for me is that if you accidentally lose or misplace your phone, you can actually find it from this band. It can actually set off an alarm on your device even though the phone is on silent mode, as you can see here. So I think that's a pretty nice feature that this band has. Uh, the earplug, I've heard that is one of the most comfortable uh, right now in the market. I've heard that it's really suitable for the ear, and actually, here it is. As you can see, there's 5 colors, and this material, this band, you can actually change it. This is just, I think, for the sake of people that like exercise, like to run, like to sweat a lot. This material is pretty good for that. But if you're like me and you want something a little bit fancier, for example, I don't know, work or something, you can come here or whatever page you want and look for them. Look at this stuff, look pretty amazing. Look at this one. You can actually buy these bands separately. I don't think this would be very expensive. You can see they have black, white, brown. This one I like very much. I think I'm gonna buy this one. There's a beige, titanium, and this is yours. Just some of them, because I've searched in Amazon and I've looked and I've found a lot of them, like for real good price, like I don't know, $8-9, and you can do the search by yourself. It's a pretty good material. It's water resistant. As you can see here, you just buy the band, so you can buy several of them and have them handy whenever you need them. You just plug your B3 into it and you're good to go. So as I said earlier, you can track your exercise routines. Would it be running, walking, riding bike, climbing, and even your sleep. As you can see here, your sleep mode. So it's a pretty good gadget to have. I think this would help anybody, from woman, man, boy, whatever age you are. If you wanna have like an extension of your phone just to be a little bit organized, or you just wanna work out, this is a good product for you. And as you can see here, I just wanna highlight this guy looking like a real boss with his nice suit. And as you can see, the watch that I like, the brown one, I think I'm gonna buy this stuff right now, because I don't know, this guy could be me in a couple of years, who knows. And that's it, guys. It's a review. I'm gonna share a link in this video, just to, if you want to buy the Talkband B3 on Amazon, you can click the link and go to Amazon, buy the product, watch the reviews, and yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have anything good to say about this video, please leave a comment. If you have anything bad to say about this video, please leave a comment also. Yeah, and thanks for watching.